Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer garlic country style pork ribs. Let's begin. We have here a family pack pork loin boneless country style ribs, and it's around $4.49 per pound. Let's open it up. For this video we'll be making 5. There we go. We're going to season it with some salt. There we go. Some garlic powder. You can be generous with the garlic powder. Some onion powder. Some ground black pepper. And lastly, some smoked paprika. Turn it over and do the same thing. There we go, we added seasoning to both sides. We're going to try to use up some of the seasoning on the cutting board. There we go, it's looking good. All sides are covered with seasoning. I'm going to change out my gloves. This is what it looks like before we put it in, and now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Now let's put in the boneless pork ribs. There we go. Looking good. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. There we go. We flipped them all over. And now let's put it back in for the last 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes. Let's take them out. Looking great. Now let's take them out. Next, we're going to pour out some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. There you go. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, garlic, boneless, country style pork ribs. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's cut one open real quick. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.